Discovery is an entirely new way to monitor all ads on web and mobile site pages for malicious threats and poor quality user experiences. For publishers and their monetization partners, Ad Discovery provides insight into the complete visitor journey. Let's see how it works. To scan multiple ads on a page, simply check Enable Ad Discovery when you submit a page within AdSecure. AdSecure will then start interacting with the page to detect violations that occur directly on the main content page, as well as after clicking on the identified ads. When an analysis is completed, AdSecure presents you with the outcome in a clear overview. First, we have the Quick View, where, in the top section, general analysis information is displayed, such as which page was scanned, location, device, etc. Then underneath you will see all the flagged ads are displayed in tiles. Each tile shows the type of ad, which next to a native ad can also be an iframe, pop or banner. You can see a screenshot of the ad itself and of the landing page linked to the ad. At the bottom of the tile, the detected violations are shown. If you have set particular violations as alerts, these will be highlighted, allowing you to focus on these detections that matter to you the most. Further down below, you will also see the ads without detections displayed. This can be helpful when you want to know which landing pages were encountered, for example. For further details, you can simply click on the vertical tabs on the left-hand side, or click directly on the tile itself. The Main Content tab takes you to the details of the page that you submitted for analysis. The Numbered Ad tabs reveal details of each ad, showing you the full redirection path and the detected violation associated with the particular URL. Use Ad Discovery now to get full insights into the complete visitor journey.